Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Healthy Channel, your path to healthier, happier you. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you started running every single day? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll discover how running can transform not just your body, but also your mind and overall well-being. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. First up, running can make you happier. Studies show that just a 30-minute run can significantly improve your mood, even if you're dealing with depression. And guess what? You don't need to sprint like a cheetah to feel the benefits. Even a slow jog can trigger the release of endorphins, the feel-good chemicals that give you that famous runner's high. Running is a calorie-burning powerhouse. For instance, if you weigh 150 pounds, running at a moderate pace for just 30 minutes can torch around 366 calories. Add some hills or a bit of speed, and cool, you're burning even more. Talk about a workout that gets results. Contrary to popular belief, running can actually be good for your knees. Runners are less likely to suffer from knee pain compared to non-runners. Running strengthens your muscles, tendons, and bones, helping you maintain a healthy body mass index and build resilience. So don't let the myth stop you. Lace up and go. Did you know that just 10 minutes of slow jogging every day can reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease? Running strengthens your heart and improves circulation, giving your cardiovascular system a serious upgrade. Running doesn't just work your body, it powers up your brain too. Aerobic exercises like running improve memory, focus, and cognitive function. So if you're feeling forgetful, it's time to hit the road or the treadmill. Struggling with sleep? Running can help. Scientists have found that regular runners sleep more deeply and feel more rested. Better sleep means better mental health, and that's a win-win. Here's a bonus. Running strengthens your immune system. Regular aerobic exercise reduces the risk of chronic illnesses and even some cancers. Your body will thank you for it. Before you hit the pavement, here are some quick tips to keep your runs injury-free. Invest in quality running shoes. Your feet will thank you. Warm up before you start and stretch afterward. Gradually increase your mileage to avoid overtraining. Mix in other activities like swimming or cycling to balance your workouts. Wondering where to run? Outdoor running connects you to nature, boosts your mood, and lets you vary your pace more naturally. But if you're in an area with poor air quality or bad weather, the treadmill is a great alternative. The best option is the one that works for you. Now it's your turn. Do you prefer running outside or on a treadmill? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips. See you in the next video. Happy running!